To enable the Helperbird extension, you need to go to the Chromebook Web Store and click on the Helperbird extension. You're going to click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and then it'll be applied to your extension bar in the top. You can see it right here. If you'd like to pin it, you can hit the pin and it'll appear up at the top of your Chrome browser. Now we need to see right here it says that we have the free version. We need to log in to get the district provided version. We're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Settings. And from Settings, we're going to click Login. It'll take you to a page where you need to click Login with your Google account. And now you can see that I've now been signed in. And if we scroll up to the top, you will see that it says Unlimited, which now means you have all the premium features inside of Helperbird. Tune in to our other videos to learn all about these features.